Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something very different. I'm going to be showing you my top 3 healthy breakfasts. Yes, you've probably already seen it on the thumbnail. I always have anyway, like every single day. And yeah, I just thought I'd like to show you what my top 3 healthy breakfasts are. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to go subscribe if you are new here, or if you haven't subscribed already then please go do so, it means so much to me. And yeah, if you want to see more of these videos then definitely go hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. So for my first breakfast I have this all of the time. We've got strawberries, blueberries, banana, chia seeds, honey, Greek style yogurt and granola. So I'm going in with obviously a bowl and I'm going to put in my Greek style yogurt. Now I do usually do this one. This is a natural yogurt, but I have had to get Greek style yogurt because of the current health situation. I'm happy that I just got a healthier alternative to a yogurt. It's still really nice, it's just a little bit thicker than what I'm used to with my natural yogurt. But still, Greek yogurt is still really good, good source of calcium, contains probiotics to support, you know, your healthy bacterial gut, and it helps you feel fuller for a lot more lesser calories. So then I'm going in with some strawberries. This is literally a little handful. I have given them a wash as well, and I'm just gonna chop all the little greeny bits off. And what I do is I chop them this way. You can chop your strawberries however you want to chop them, but this is how I chop them because I feel like, you know, it looks like you're getting a lot more in your bowl than chopping them like really big and chunky. You can do that if you want, but I feel like the smaller I chop them, in my head I'm like, oh, look how many strawberries I have, but really there is only 6 strawberries here. But anyway, I'm going to keep chopping them until they're all done. You can add as many and as little strawberries as you want to. Then I'm going to chop up a banana. Now I know a lot of people don't really like bananas, but I love them, to be honest. Bananas are a really good source, great source of potassium. It's really good for your heart health, gives you an energy boost. And again, you know, strawberries and blueberries can be quite expensive in the summertime, I'm not going to lie, as well. Bananas kind of stay the same price all year round. I don't know if that's just me noticing that, I don't know. So, you know, if you don't like strawberries, you can literally have like banana and yogurt with a bit of honey or whatever you want to do. But I just found this is a lot more like healthier alternative to some cereal or, you know, like a bacon butty in the morning. Then I've got some chia seeds, just a little teaspoonful, and chia seeds are a really good source of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, and it's got really good skin benefits as well as, you know, helps ease of like going to the toilet as well. Then I'm going to just sprinkle on some honey, and sprinkle on some honey, you know what I mean, drizzle some honey. And yeah, blueberries, top it up with blueberries, and I've got a bit of granola. I don't really use a lot of granola because I know it can be full of sugar, so I just use like literally a tiny little sprinkle full just for that little bit of crunch. And what I like to do is I stir it all up, add a little bit more honey, which, you know, I'm just doing that for the photo, but yeah, I do usually stir it up so it looks really weird. And yeah, add more honey and I'm really happy with that. My second one is a smoothie. You cannot go wrong with a smoothie. I do usually use the breakfast blend from Asda, but I'm going to go in with this totally tropical one, which is mango, papaya and pineapple. I absolutely love tropical things. I love mango, I love pineapple. I think mango is like my favourite fruit. But yeah, I usually do about 100 grams and I normally get 2 big cupfuls out of 100 grams and some yogurt and a little bit of milk as well as. But here I think there was only about 80, to be honest. Yeah, I kind of just used this one, to be honest, because I knew there was only a little bit left and I wanted some room in my freezer. So, but this is still really healthy. It's still like obviously a lot more better than shop bought smoothies because you know exactly what's going into it. So yeah, just adding a little bit more honey in there. We've got like some sugars in there, natural sugars in there, and obviously a source of like calcium and probiotics with the Greek style yogurt. Again, I would usually use natural yogurt as well, which is a little bit more thinner and it would blend a lot more easier. So I had to obviously add semi-skim milk to try and get it to blend. The smoothie here does look a lot thicker, but honestly I like mine quite thick anyway. I'm a bit of a weirdo like that. It kind of looks like ice cream. You could actually, oh, I'm knocking my microphone, you could actually freeze it and make it into ice cream, you know, put it in like a tight container and like leave it in the freezer. Or you can make this into a smoothie bowl where you can just literally put this smoothie mix into like obviously a bowl and then add whatever toppings you want to add. So but I'm going to do it in a cup because, you know, I like to suck through my little like biodegradable straw. So I got them off Amazon. I think it was like a pack of 600. They're quite on the pricey side, but it's worth it because they're biodegradable. And then yeah, just top with some strawberries and blueberries, and you know, got a little treat at the bottom. And to be honest, because of the thickness of the smoothie, this usually literally lasts, like keeps me full up until past dinner time sometimes actually. So yeah, I forgot to film me doing my toast, but making toast is quite simple, you know. And yeah, I don't really like peanut butter or anything, so I'm using Nutella. I absolutely love Nutella. And I'm just adding some banana on top. Now, I don't usually do this like every single day. This is normally like a Sunday breakfast type thing instead of a fry up, because honestly I'm not a big lover of fry ups. So literally toast, Nutella, banana, a croissant with some blueberries and a few strawberries, and honestly this keeps me going until my Sunday dinner in the evening, to be honest. And yeah, that's my Sunday morning one, to be honest, my third one. Love it, absolutely love it. So they're my top 3 favourite breakfasts that I like to have. Please remember to go subscribe, it would mean so much to me, and I'll see you on my next video. I love you lots. Bye!